Hi, I'm Billy Maddox, and I'm going to mess this up so that you don't have to. Okay, so it's quarantine day, day 20. Okay. Eggos. Not Eggos, just waffles. Waffles. I wonder if I can make a book out of waffles. I mean, something like that. You know what I mean? Let's make a book out of waffles. Out of a waffle. Let's make a waffle notebook. I'm going to do this as a perfect bind, but I'm going to tell you right now that you can probably find a much better video of me doing this, explaining exactly how you should do it. I will link that top right corner right now and also in the description. You know, sometimes when you're folding it down, you need to like massage the shoulders of your books. Every once in a while you gotta give it a little slap. Then when it's all nice and laid down, you slide your paper right inside. So first, let's cut all the paper. Look, the sizes of your paper aren't going to really matter. I'm not going to give you the dimensions to mine, but my dimensions were 6 and a quarter by 4.5 or something. I don't know. I don't remember. But look, cut your paper down. This is tedious. Try to cut it as quick as I cut it right now. Then you're going to tamp your edges and doobly-doos, and you're going to measure out, and you're going to do your spine and measure your spine. You're going to need as much paper as fills your spine, because I'm making the notebook to the size of the cover material. So that's just what I'm kind of got to do. Quarantine days. Keep your hands busy. This is going to be a weird video. I'm sorry, but yeah. Anyway, you're going to glue the end of it, tamp your pages down, glue the end of it, do several layers. I think I ended up doing about 3 or 4 brush layers and then 1 layer with my finger, just to be nice and I don't know, it's nice and smooth that way. It looks nice. Looks nice like this. Yes, let's all. Anyway, your cover material, do your measurements. Look, when you're doing your cover material, a better video, top right hand corner. This is the perfect opportunity to place it in. This is that second video I was telling you about. We'll explain to you exactly what you need to do, and these weird score lines that I'm doing, and also the score lines on the cover, which you'll probably be confused about, but that's for gluing purposes. When you glue the actual block down to it. So always, glue and apply pressure and make sure everything is nice and dry, and then glue it to your cover. After you glue it to your cover, you're going to have to, those little flaps that I was just talking about a second ago. Come on, keep up. You're going to glue in there, and then you're going to apply pressure. Remember to clean any squeeze out. Just, I'm just making this book to keep my hands busy, man. Look, I like it. It's a waffle notebook. I also made a field note style one with the staples. Gotta keep your hands busy. Because, it gets boring because you can't go nowheres. Can't go nowheres. Anyway, make stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing.